ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum.
Sorkar Meghalaya kabalayo Erïong Bthah kabanya banshim Meghalaya jingada na jingwan Lynshop jonga Erïong Remal nadu kemian apun rutrik jumang arja apsau bat ke bandam keteng hadu ke alpa pratrik jumang arja apsau kalau Bthah igi deputy commissioner jongi district beper ke jela bakimde Thiah Thiah hendegiri benlong ibu pek ngwan baru apsau kunta hak jing kran Meghalaya Bthah kubuar hadim balakut ke jingalang perkhat kam kabalalong hak arp nyutrik jumang arja apsau ubah prestun tensong ubadai sembut menteri rangba jong jela ulai thu ubah Sorkar kalong ubah pen kre ban ai jingarap ikinong song jong jela lada ja kinu ke jing Lynshop ke bawan naga bo jong kamariang naga da ko jingwan yu kejat jong ka Erïong Remal ula konturu ik paiba nong song jong ka jela bikim dei ban ki kuslai hende gi dei ban ai ke jing trelang bagi tanat rekam bo per jong ka Sorkar jela la kalong hagi snong ki thau bat hagi district Shushu ulai thu ubah Sorkar kelapan kre lupa ya song pisa banyarap ya kinu ki break bemal ya jing tua khendo tua ki yang kisam bat ki jing ja haki arp sau kunta ki ban sawan.
Today we have reviewed everything about you are all aware about the cyclone which has already started last night and it is going on till this moment when we're talking. So I would like to inform that from the government side, right from the state level till the district and even the sub-divisional level, we are fully prepared and we have already shared the opinions, the suggestions made by all the district administration, the deputy commissioners and even the police forces. And now I am happy to inform to all of you that as of today, we are fully prepared and I'm very sure these challenges that we have till this moment, we will also be able to overcome it till tomorrow, because the prediction says that this cyclone will go on till tomorrow, sometimes maybe in the evening or daytime. So friends, I would like to inform all the citizens of the state that from the government side, we are fully prepared, be it financially, be it physically, be it whatever situation arises, we are ready and we have instructed all the agencies, be it the government agencies, be it the NGOs, be it the stakeholders up to the village level, that they should cooperate and should also work closely with the government machinery, which is already, as I said, to link up to the village level. This is what we have taken again the review meeting today, and we would like to inform and communicate to all the citizens of the state not to be panicky, but to also be in touch. Whatever eventuality happens, we are there and the government is fully prepared for this. The hills, West Giant Hills, and then even southwest Khasi, East Khasi, and then what else?
West,
Eastern, I think. Eastern West also. They are most likely to be vulnerable. But what I'm saying is, that is not the end of the story. We have already taken a decision today in the review meeting that all the districts be active, be ready, and be prepared. No, for that, I'm telling you right now, we don't have any financial constraint at all. And in fact, in hand, right now we do have not less than 20 crores, where ultimately, depending upon the DC, the district administration, where they, once they send a demand to the government, and accordingly will issue the sanction immediately. So that is depending upon the demand and according to the necessity. Let me tell you one thing. As far as reserve forest is concerned, yes, Forest Department has the full responsibility to do it. But now again, when you talk about the state of Meghalaya, quite a number of forested areas falls under the individual, falls under the state, falls under the right. Again, as I said to you, this process also we need to sit down with all the stakeholders, then identify and ultimately will maybe felling of such vulnerable trees can be done. We need to ultimately take the responsibility jointly, not only PW alone or not only municipal or urban affairs alone. So now, of course, few stretches we have identified those vulnerable flooded area, and maybe when the monsoon is ended, from the PWD side, jointly with the urban affairs department as well as with the Shillong Municipal Board, we will take appropriate action accordingly. During the past monsoon, we have identified, we have done it. I think you must have seen somewhere in the Erïong side. What happened was we raised the level of the road. We have done it. I think you must have seen it. Few places we have done it. But again, let me tell you one thing. It's not only PWD alone who has to do it. We need a joint effort, be it Urban Affairs Department, be it Shillong Municipal, as well as with PWD Roads. We are consulting and then we will do necessary action. Be it suppose a landslide happen, or be it maybe electricity disconnection may happen, or be it or be it the damages in your houses, your building, or any damages which is going to happen, we don't know yet. But what I'm saying is all these issues have been taken care of, and today in the review meeting we have already specifically instructed to all the concerned deputy commissioners not to sleep, to walk 24/7 as a challenge to the ongoing cyclone. Well, as of now, we don't say only a particular places or only a particular district, but in the state as a whole. In all the districts in the state, we are fully prepared. Yes, maybe few districts will be vulnerable, but that also we have instructed to all the district administration, all of them equally, not only to one district or two districts as I said to you, but all districts. We have instructed all the deputy commissioners to be more vigilant and also to be in the active mode fully. Today we have already discussed about this issue, and we leave it to the wisdom of the district administration in consulting with the respective SDSEO or maybe DSEO. So they will take appropriate necessary decision on the ground. From the state government, we don't have to say anything on this. But of course, as I said to you, the advisory note that we have given to the district administration is take necessary steps, take a decision on the ground as and when you feel necessary.